Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. I will talk about this in today's video. Just take a look. No surprise too, because it's retesting the 5-day perfectly here as well. Don't get too caught up by this because market's still pinned in the range here. But today's star of the day is obviously Magenta, because you see how we have just been building liquidity from Magenta all the way down here, right? And the 5-day started rejecting the range. Could we be soaking up sellers? Let's find out in today's video. Today becomes very straightforward once you're able to identify Magenta, and this was at 10 a.m. close to 10 a.m. 9:54. So 9:54 a.m. was here, and you notice how Magenta started building liquidity there, and you would be able to catch all the head and shoulder patterns once you're able to diligently chart the Magenta. Just take a look how penny perfect it goes on the way down here. Now, there is a very important level here as well to prevent you from going long. And that's where this pink algorithm comes into play. Let's see this pink algorithm. But you also see how beautiful at 10:16 here. Just see how beautiful the Magenta, I meant the pink algorithm was building liquidity here. Now you need to pay close attention to this because this is the market building very, very beautiful liquidity where the 5-day moving averages, and now we have soaked up some sellers here from the 5-day. Importantly, you want to be waiting out to see if the market, I charted the new yellow here, to see if the market wants to grab this tomorrow. I want to pay close attention to that later. But otherwise, today is a straightforward day once you're able to understand what to prevent you from going long. So you see, the pink prevented you from going long, isn't it? Because we were just selling down in the pink, and in the midst of selling in the pink, you see how Magenta is building liquidity. Penny perfect here, giving you that beautiful entry on the way down with the teal that's selling. Absolutely beautiful day right there. Now, importantly, you need to be paying close attention. Where do we go from here? Because you remembered yesterday I talked about this blue, and you see how we retested it so beautifully right there before we grabbed the liquidity on the way down. So this was the Magenta that was right here nearing to 12 once we had that beautiful inverse. I'm sorry, I meant the head and shoulder pattern right there, the nested right structure over there. Absolutely beautiful trade right there. So anyway, pay close attention to that because we had selling continuation, isn't it? So at this point here, I will chart another algorithm here, and that will be a teal right there. There is this selling algorithm tomorrow. I will chart it right straight in the charts. So pay close attention to that if we continue to sell here. But otherwise, you see how 5-day may already been soaking up the sellers there, and there is this beautiful break that is possible once we break out of that orange algorithm right there. So pay close attention to that. That will be, as I was telling you about when I charted this yellow together with the 5-day moving average right there. So pay close attention tomorrow to where the 5-day moving average is if this wants to head up, and most importantly where the orange algorithm will be here, right? So this one, pay close attention tomorrow. But otherwise, don't forget, we are still in the selling continuation, as I have always been reminding you of, and we are still in that selling continuation structure right there. Tomorrow I will chart this in, so pay close attention there, and once we have closed the inverse cup, let the market build more liquidity if it wants to head down. So you will not miss it if the market builds more liquidity here to form the handle when the 5-day starts trending down as well. So tomorrow, quite straightforward. If we do stay locked in this wedge, it's a Friday, so just be more mindful. Do not overtreat that. You have your ranges here together with 5-day, which may be opening right at the center of the wedge. So you just have to be extremely careful right there. Right, so do not overtrade. Wrap up the day strong tomorrow. This is interesting. We'll pay close attention tomorrow to see how it goes. But otherwise, remember, as I always mentioned, you can always find profits in the charts. You just have to be patient, and using the algorithms you are able to see and prepare for very clear structure here, isn't it? It's just becomes so clear once you're able to have some clarity of the algorithms at play on the day. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you closer to opening bell.